Hello everyone, I'm Srinivas Murthy and you are watching Invest Expert India, your YouTube channel to maximize returns on your investments. In this video, we'll talk about a few candlestick patterns and how you can use them to take investment decisions. Before we go to that, let us understand a few terms which are commonly used in stock markets. First one is bullish trend. When the stock prices are going up, the trend is called bullish trend, which indicates the confidence of investors in that particular stock. Second one is bearish trend. When the prices are going down, it is called bearish trend, indicating lack of confidence in that particular stock or during that particular period. Now, let us see how a candlestick looks like and what are its various components. Basically, there are two colors of candles, green and red, or white and black. When the closing price is higher than the opening price, the candle is colored as green. And when the closing price is lower than the opening price, it is colored as red. The colored part of the candle is called the body, and the lines appearing on top and bottom are called the wicks. Sometimes a white candle is used in place of green and black one is used in place of red one. We will look into 5 important bearish patterns such as hanging man, bearish engulfing, the evening star, bearish harami, and 3 outside down. These patterns can help you to understand whether a particular stock price is likely to go down or not. I'll also show you the real market charts of all these patterns. First one is a hanging man. It has a small body with red color, which means the closing price is lower than the opening price. It also has a wick, which is more than double of the body's length. This clearly indicates that the prices are likely to go down. However, you need to take a confirmation on the next day to see whether a bearish candle is forming. In such a case, you can short sell the stock and keep a stop loss at the opening price of the hanging man. The next one is bearish engulf. This has 2 candles. First one being a green candle and the second one a red candle, completely engulfing the first one. In this case also, one can short sell if a bearish candle is forming on the next day. The third one is evening star. This has 3 candles. First one is green, second one is red, and the third one again is a red candle. This pattern is called evening star, and one can short sell if a bearish candle is being formed on the next day. Let us look at the real charts of these 3 patterns. The extreme left one is a hanging man. This is a daily chart. You can see that the downward trend continued for more than 15 sessions after this hanging man pattern is formed. I don't mean to say that every hanging man pattern gives you this kind of bearish trend. However, it can occur for a few days or more. Please keep on changing these stop loss levels until you find a doji kind of candle where the opening and closing prices are more or less the same. When it happens, you can close the trade. On top right hand side is the bearish engulf, which is self-explanatory. The red candle completely engulfed the green one on the left and followed by bearish candles for the next 6 sessions. On the 7th session, a green candle is being formed and you have to close the trade at that point of time. Below the bearish engulf, you can see the evening star, after which about 5 to 6 clear sessions have produced bearish candles. When the green candle is being formed towards the end of the session, you can close the trade. Now, let's see the next two patterns also. Bearish harami. As you know, harami in Japanese means pregnant. The red candle seems to have come out of the green candle and is likely to start a bearish trend. You can short sell here and close the trade when you see a green candle again. Let's look at a real-time example of the bearish harami. In this chart, there is a long green candle followed by a bearish harami, which is followed by another two bearish candles. I have also mentioned the price levels in this particular chart, which you can observe that the closing price of bearish harami is 9,201 and the closing price of the third candle is 8,480. There is a gap of about 720 in just 2 days after the bearish harami is formed. Again, I don't mean to say that it will happen like that with all the bearish harami patterns, but it is likely to happen. And finally, we have another pattern called 3 outside down. This again is a 3 candle pattern in which the second candle is forming a bearish engulf pattern and the third one is again a bearish candle to confirm that the price is likely to go down. Let us look at a real-time example of this one also. The candles marked in the circle for a 3 outside down pattern, after which 3 more bearish candles are formed. The gap between the two lines shows that there is a reduction in the price to the extent of 200 points approximately. Hope you find this interesting, and if you want to know more such interesting investment ideas, you can set up a free consultation call with me by clicking on the link given below in the description. You can also visit our website akshaya-revenues.com for more opportunities to get better returns on your investments and to explore career and business opportunities in financial services. Please subscribe to Invest Expert India, your YouTube channel, which helps you to maximize returns on your investments. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Thank you.